Welcome back from the long holiday. We had census, and now we continue to our final week of learning landmark software. So today we are going to learn profile, this part of the software. So you click on profile, we open it. Mine is already open, so I'm going to close down this and close down this. So we come to profile the software. So we are going to create a new file. So basically we need to put in a well trajectory. If it's a horizontal well, we shall use a vertical well. Is here. This is a horizontal well. This is a slanted well. This is a build up or hold up. This is an S well. This is if we have an actual survey that we already put in, like what we were using before. Here you can make a mirror image, or you can have multilateral trajectories. So depending on what you're building, that's how you use this software. So we are going to create what file. For today we are going to create a new instant design. So we are going to give the name, company, I'm going to call it Elite 22. So we call it project 6. So we can leave this as site 1 and leave this as well 1 or wellbore 1, and our design we can leave it as design 1. So if it's offshore, you make it offshore. If it is offshore and subsea, you make it offshore subsea. So for today we shall leave it as onshore. So after this we click on OK. I hope everyone has now already mastered how to do this. So this is a new project that we put in. So we need to put in a well trajectory. Now we have different types. If you want a horizontal one, you can click on vertical one, you click on vertical, and then you input the values. If you want a horizontal one, you can click on horizontal and have that. If you want to put in your own a well trajectory, you can go there. Still, there's no problem. So I hope we are following each other. So what we are going to do is put in a trajectory. We have the whole section. You can put in the drill string, you can put in the casings, you can put in the cementing, wellbore equipment, sub assemblies, rod strings, just like we were doing previously. Only the interface for profile is here, and then the wellbore openings. Then you can put in the stimulations, and then there's a part that I'm more interested in for today, which is the wellheads. How do we design wellheads? So this is the part that we are going to concentrate much on for today. I think we all know how to do a well trajectory, so I'm going to take you basically through a wellhead, but then I will also show you how to put in a well trajectory, and maybe we shall also put in the casings. We shall also put in the casing so that we can see how it looks like, and then the wellhead. So thank you. We begin here for today's lecture of profile. Thank you.